Firstly, click on Store Management. Then click on Connect. Click here to connect to Shopify. Click. It will take you to the Shopify App Store. Download the Speedfulfill app. Confirm connection. Then click on Orders tab. Once the store is connected, click on Orders tab. First click on Sync Orders. Select the sync period. Next, you can view your total orders. Click on orders you wish to select. On the Actions tab, click on Ask for Quote. Wait within 24 hours. Once done, click here. You can see the status of all product quotations after 1 to 24 hours. Now it's time to pay for orders. Click on Pending Payment. Here you can see. Select all unpaid orders. Select all. Then choose the shipping method. Make sure to pick Standard Shipping. Lastly, it's time to pay now. You can select Batch Payment. The total bill here is $450.47. You have two options. You can first use the bank transfer or transfer via credit card. For bank transfer, either USD or Euro Local or USD International. Once transfer is done, make sure to upload screenshot of payment. Write the correct amount. Then click Confirm. Then the second. To pay via credit card, write the correct amount. Please note, there is a transaction fee from the bank.